If your videos are not getting clicked, then your thumbnail might be to blame. Here is why your graphics matter more than you think. And here is how to create scroll-stopping thumbnails that actually work. First, let's talk about why your thumbnail matters. Your thumbnail is the first impression of your video. People don't watch what they can't see, and if your thumbnail looks boring or messy, they'll scroll right past it. Even the best video won't save you if nobody clicks. Hence, if you want more views, better engagement, and growth on YouTube or social media, you need to nail your graphics. Next, let's talk about some tips that you can use to actually stand out. First, keep it simple and bold. Don't cram too much text in your thumbnail. Use 3 to maybe 10 words max, big enough to read on mobile. Again, make it stand out just like a billboard, so essentially less is more. Next, use high contrast colors, right? Green says go, red for warning, yellow to highlight. So make sure your subject stands out from the background, light versus dark, so give your image enough contrast. What you don't want is dark text against a dark background. For example, a dark red against a black background, or like a neon yellow against like another neon color, and it doesn't blend. And the third tip is show emotion or action. Faces with expressive emotions or big gestures grab attention much faster, or ensure that your thumbnail is very engaging. And you can do this by using tools such as vidIQ. Next, in today's video, I'm actually going to share with you my workflow. And here it is. So let's just go ahead here and look on the computer, all right? So first, I use something like a tool like ChatGPT, and I'll generate maybe some content ideas. I also get content ideas from the YouTube comments, or I may have ideas about this on my own, all right? But know that you can use something like ChatGPT to generate content ideas. So you could say, hey, ChatGPT, generate me 10 topic ideas on XYZ subject area, right? So for this channel, for example, could be, hey, ChatGPT, generate me 10 topic ideas around digital marketing and helping people to grow on YouTube. And there you go, presto. You're going to get 10 topic ideas, and from there you can go into generating your thumbnails for those videos. So 10 topic ideas, then you go forward to generating 10 thumbnails. And I'll show you eventually how you can get into batching your videos to just scheduling them out ahead of time. So once you kind of have an idea of what your subject topic is going to be, next I'm going to jump into another tool that I use, which is vidIQ. And what I use this for is image generation. So vidIQ is very useful, very quick to use also. So once you authenticate your account, and this is a paid software, so you're going to have to subscribe. But in vidIQ, what you can do is use their YouTube thumbnail image generator. And what I normally do from here is I'll generate the thumbnail, I'll remove the text. But know that you can actually use their built-in text editor here in vidIQ, and you could probably leave it there. But what I do in my workflow is I remove the text that they add because I just want the graphics, all right? So I'm going to go through and save these graphics, and then I'm going to hand over to another tool. Alrighty, and here we are in Canva. So after vidIQ, I then jump into Canva to design the actual graphic. And again, we're going to use those best practices again, like using a large font. by adding something like a logo for symbolism or branding so that people remember your name, so that people remember your symbol. All right. And we're also gonna go in and add an image of you. And this could be a avatar, could be a cartoon graphic, could be an actual professional photo of you. And you're going to make sure that this has a transparent background so that it blends in with your image. And know that if you have an image and it still has a background, you can use Canva's built-in background removal tool. However, know to use this particular feature, you're going to need Canva Pro. So Canva is free, but they also have a Pro version. And the Pro version shines because it has millions of premium stock photos, videos, and elements. And again, it has that one-click background remover that allows you to remove any background, right? Additionally, it has the built-in magic resizer, and this allows you to turn one post into multiple formats instantly. And with Pro, again, you're going to get more features than you get in the free version. So you're going to get the brand kit feature, which allows you to keep your colors, fonts, and logos consistently across the different graphics that you create. Hence, if you are serious about your brand, Canva Pro is 100% worth it, and you can try it for free for 30 days when you sign up via my link below. When it comes to Canva, if you're creating content for YouTube, Instagram, or your business, Canva is hands down one of those tools that you must have. It's one of the easiest tools to use to make your brand look professional, even if you are not a professional graphic designer. In summary, do not let bad graphics hold your content back. Use tools like vidIQ to generate your graphics and Canva to edit and create. And if needed, again, level up to Canva Pro so that you have all of the features needed to create stunning thumbnails. Thanks for watching, and remember, great content deserves recognition, and your presentation is going to dictate whether people click on your video or not. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more creator tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. Now, go and create something amazing, and I'll see you in the next video.